What's up guys, Sinclair Photos here, and today is a very exciting day. We're doing two really big things, one of which I have not even told you guys that I've got yet. Haven't posted on my Instagram, and so it's going to be a surprise to everybody. That surprise is we're going to put stars in the roof of the FRS. That's right, I bought the Royce Starlight headliner kit. So I'm gonna go drop it off at my boy's shop, H-Tex Customs, and we're gonna see if we can put some stars in the roof. The thing is right here, and if this all turns out good, I'm going to put the link in the description for you guys so you can go cop this for yourself. I believe it's universal for any car. If you want to put stars in the roof of your car, this kit will work. It was like $80 on Amazon, but I forgot I like a $25 Amazon gift card, so I got it for 50 bucks. And so we're gonna drop it off at H-Tex Customs along with my new carbon fiber hood that I just got, and hopefully get the Rolls-Royce headliner installed and the hood installed and protected so I don't get any rock chips or anything. So I'm super excited. I hope you guys are excited. The FRS is going to look magnificent after these few upgrades, and then it's going to be time for the big one. So let's head on over, do what we got to do. All right guys, we have arrived to H-Tex Customs. Let's hop on in and get to talking business. All right guys, I have dropped off the hood and the Starlight headliner. The FRS is in the shop. Hopefully it will be done in the next couple days. I'll keep you updated, but this thing is gonna look absolutely sick when they are done. I just hope it's in the next couple days. So fingers crossed, and I'll see you when it's done. Okay guys, it has been like 4 days. Today is Monday. We dropped it off on Thursday. That's Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. And we're going to get the car back. I'm super excited. I've seen what it looks like, and I cannot wait to unveil it to you guys. So we got the Rolls-Royce Starlight roof installed, and we got my brand new carbon fiber hood. So the car should look completely different. I haven't seen it in person yet, but from these pictures the guy sent me, mwah, it has been a masterpiece. So we're gonna head back down to Houston, Texas, and check this thing out. All right guys, we've made it to H-Tex Customs. My car is actually right there, so let's go check out the hood first, and then we'll head inside and learn how to use the Starlight roof. I think I have to get an app or something, but I will definitely share that information with you guys. So let's do the carbon hood reveal first. Let's do it. All right guys, here it is, the official unveil of my carbon fiber hood. This is a Scion carbon hood. I got it for an absolute steal, and I'm so happy. I'm freaking speechless. This thing looks crazy on this car. You see the carbon fiber weave looks pretty good. Now the question is, do we keep it exposed like this once we use the whole wide body kit and leave it exposed, or do we wrap it the color of the car? That's going to be the question. Now we do need one more carbon piece to complete the look. We need the trunk, because there's still this residue from when my old OEM wing got taken off. Need a carbon trunk, got the carbon hood, and this thing is gonna look absolutely sick when it's done. I'm super happy. Huge shout out to my boys at H-Tex Customs. If you guys need anything done, I'm pretty sure they literally do everything. Exhaust stuff, I'm pretty sure they do, like, they're doing an engine swap right now. They're doing full restoration on an old Mercedes. They do the little installs like this, headlights, taillights, wheels. I'm gonna get my wide body kit done here, wrap, everything you need, you do it here, and you tell them Sinclair Photos sent you, and they'll hook you up with a really good price. So that is the carbon hood install and unveil, and now let's go on to the secret mod that I've been teasing y'all for a long time. Jordan, would you do the honors? Come show us. So she's gonna get in and start it up. We'll get the cold start before we hop on in, but this next mod we got done looks crazy. Start her up. She sounds dang good now too. So we're gonna hop on in. And in 3, 2, boom. Oh man, we got got the stars in the roof, baby. Yes, sir. Oh, turn that off, Travis Scott. You're gonna get me copyright stricken. But look at this, man. Got the stars in the roof like Betty Boop. That looks so cool. I might be posting on Instagram like, new whip, who this? But it's crazy. I like it a lot. And what we had to do, I'm gonna put you guys right here. Oh, that works perfectly. I had to get this app called My Smart LED. It's this little thing right there. Focus right there. That one. You clicked on that bad boy, and it comes up with like this stuff. So you'll see it's white now. I can change it to red. I can change it to green, blue. This thing is so cool. We'll go back to white because that's just how we're probably going to be cruising. And I'm pretty sure you can change the brightness. Yep, there you go. And I'm not sure how to make it like switch colors. Twinkle on. I don't know. I'm gonna be learning this throughout the time I got it, but this is so cool. I just can't wait. Oh, that fire's gonna look sick with that. That's blue. That's like baby blue. I'm hype. We're gonna do a proper unveil, like cinematic montage of this tomorrow once the weather clears up a little bit. But this has been it for now. This thing, and it feels just like the OEM headliner, but with little bitty bumps, which are the lights. I love it. And once again, huge shout out to H-Tex Customs. They helped me out so much. This is awesome. So I'll see you guys tomorrow for the proper cinematic unveil. All right, guys, we have officially made it back to College Station, and we're gonna actually go out to a little meet here. There's one every Monday night at this place called Veterans Park. So we're gonna pull up, see what they got in store. I know there's a lot of cool cars driving around in College Station. So this is one of the bigger meets where they all gather up and we just talk, chat, and have a good time. So I'm gonna take you along with this, and then we're gonna do more of this stuff tomorrow. But how cool does that look? I can't get over it. I can't wait to show everybody the hood and the headliner. So let's head on over and see who shows up to this little meet. All right, guys, we pulled up. We got a pretty nice turnout. Got a couple G8 GTs, ZL1, new Scat Pack, and this bad boy, the wide body boosted Mustang. I've seen this guy driving around College Station one time, but now we finally get to take an up close and personal look at it. That is crazy. We got a couple more people rolling in. We'll make our way down throughout the show. Got GT350, Miata, a couple other Mustangs. This is pretty nice. Here we got my brother from another mother, the Black FRS, also a member of the Big Wang Gang. We got my man ZR1 convertible, looking good out here tonight, also a member of the Big Wang Gang. And then another Z06 behind it. That's very nice. Then we got some other cool cars. Got Mason's Golf R.
What's up?
What up? How are you?
Good, how are you?
Good to see you.
My boy Taylor.
What up, Taylor? Had a crazy Camaro ZL1. License plate chopsticks, that's sick. Alright guys, I guess people are heading out. I really like that color. Alright fellas, well, that was pretty fun. Good little turnout. Now we have left, and it's time for your boy to go to bed and get up early for class in the morning. So I'll catch you after I'm done for a very nice, beautiful montage of the Starlight roof. All right, guys, it is the official next day. It is very, very cold here in College Station. And my goodness, we have quite the views on views. Check that out, guys. Wow. We got the whole city of College Station back there. Got the bad boy looking up here. Woo. Hope you can hear me with this little fuzzy thing on the camera because it is very, very windy. But I just want to give you guys a cool little cinematic montage of what we got going on with the car now. We got, let's run through all the mods we got. So we got recently the new carbon fiber hood. We got the Starlight roof from Royce. We got new Spec D headlights. We got, I think they're called Buddy Club tail lights. CNT racing, unequal and catless headers to some random catless front pipe and mid pipe. And then the catback exhaust is the NVIDIA N1. Then of course we got our huge Battle Arrow chassis mounted wing. And I think that's it for now. And of course the sub, actually. There's a sub in the back as well. But sadly we can't use that because I can't move the wing. If anyone knows of little like clips I can do for these bolts right here, please let me know in the comment section. I've seen one person have one where they put it in this one and you can just pull it and it'll slide back and forth on that thing. So if any of you guys are, I guess, I don't even know who would make that, carpenters? If any of you guys are carpenters out there, please let me know. But we're gonna hop into the newest acquisition, the carbon fiber hood and the Starlight headliner. But sadly, UPS didn't do such a good job of shipping it to the guy I bought it from, and you can't really see it from that angle, but there's a certain way you can look at it and it hits the sun and there's quite a large crack. Oh, right there. There you go, you can see it now. So there's a little crack right here in the clear coat, which isn't the end of the world because it doesn't really feel like anything. It's just a couple little bumps right there. But I mean, I don't want people walking up to me at car shows and going, why is there a crack in your hood? Why is there a crack in your hood? So if any of you know anyone that can fix that for relatively cheap, please let me know. I'm not looking to spend an arm and a leg on that thing, but because we may just wrap over it anyway. Let me know if you want that to be wrapped. Oh, well, I guess we'll come to that bridge when we get to it, when the Rocket Bunny kit gets here. So I will leave you and let's check out the beautiful montage of everything done to the car so far. Alright guys, well, that is going to be the end of the video, and I just want to send you guys off with a little bit of I guess foresight into what's coming on the channel. I've been working very, very hard these past couple months trying to get these videos out for you every single day, and I guess good things are coming is all I'm gonna say. If you didn't know, if you don't follow my Instagram, I have a set of custom wheels coming for the FRS for the wide body kit that I'm going to be getting. I haven't ordered the wide body kit, but the wheels should be done here in the next 2 weeks. So once we get the wheels, make sure everything's okay, I'll order the kit. Now hopefully that's gonna happen around April, and then that's gonna take probably a month or two to ship to me. So let's say May, June, the Rocket Bunny kit build should start in June, and then that should be done mid-June, July, and then it's gonna be wrapped. The kit's gonna be on, we're gonna have everything pretty much done All my other mods are pretty much taken care of other than bags, and I'm not really too sure about what I want to do with that yet. Because living up here in College Station, I definitely can't just get lowering springs because I need that adjustability, and the stock ride height here I even scrape sometimes. So I don't know, we'll just have to see what comes with that. Hopefully the wheels are everything I've been wanting. I haven't told you guys what wheels I've got, and I'm not going to until they come in. I've told a couple of you people on Instagram, so if you follow the Instagram, you may know. But I really don't want to have to run spacers. Really don't want to have to run spacers, but if I do, I guess I'll get those. The wheels are supposed to be flush with the kit, so we'll just have to see. I really don't know much about that kind of stuff, like fitment and offsets and that kind of stuff. I'm learning as I go. So, I mean, we'll see. This car should be done and looking absolutely gorgeous in summertime of 2020. And yeah, I'm super excited, super grateful for how far we've came with this thing. We got it almost a year ago. It'll be a year in April, and I'm hype. I'm hype. I hope you guys are excited as well. And then once we finish this car, it's gonna be time to save up for the next car. And the next car, I'm already starting to plan it out. You're gonna want to stick around for that. So if you haven't subscribed already, please smash that subscribe button, like the video, and help your boy out. We're gonna hit 30K here very soon. If we haven't hit this already, this is probably gonna come out like a week after I film it. So I mean, who knows? We're making big moves, man. 2020, it's our year. Always remember, if you like the video, smash that like button, subscribe. If you're new to the channel, I'll see you, baby, in the next video.